In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create optimized media in DaVinci Resolve. If your timeline feels sluggish or your footage is high resolution, optimized media is your best friend. It creates lighter, edit-friendly versions of your clips so playback is smooth and scrubbing feels responsive, while your final export still uses the original quality. Let's walk through the exact settings to get this right. Start by launching DaVinci Resolve from your desktop and opening an existing project, or create a new one if you're starting fresh. Once your project is open, look to the bottom right corner of the screen for the gear icon. That's the Project Settings button. You can also press Shift+9 to get there quickly. Inside Project Settings, you'll land on the Master Settings page. If not, click Master Settings in the sidebar. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Optimized Media and Render Cache. This is where you decide how Resolve will create and manage those lighter, easier-to-edit files. First, choose the resolution for your optimized media. Original keeps the same dimensions as your source clips, which preserves detail but is heavier on performance. Half reduces the resolution and is usually a great balance for most 4K or high bitrate footage, giving you a big speed boost without a noticeable drop while editing. Quarter is the most lightweight option and can be perfect for older systems or especially demanding timelines. Remember, this only affects the proxy versions used during editing. Your final output can still use the full-quality originals. Next, pick the format based on your operating system. On Mac, select ProRes 422 LT. It's a high-quality, efficient codec that plays back smoothly on Mac OS. On Windows, choose DNxHR SQ for higher quality or DNxHR LB for a lighter, faster option. If you're doing color-critical work or heavy compositing, SQ is the safer bet. If you just need snappy editing performance on long timelines, LB can be ideal. Take a moment to think about storage as well. Optimized media takes up disk space, so make sure you have room on the drive you're using for your project files. These settings simply define how the media will be created. They don't replace or alter your originals. When you're happy with your choices, click Save. From now on, any optimized media you generate in this project will follow these settings, helping your timeline play smoothly and your edits feel responsive. And that's it. Simple, effective, and ready for faster editing.